Hi everyone, so I'm here in my follow-up video for my Huion RDS 220 which I found on the Huion UK site. As I said in my previous video, which I'll share at the end, which goes into like more depth, so if you want, stick around for that, have a watch of that, and let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything that I've missed. But this is just a quick video, and what I'm saying is that I've had it for 2 weeks now, and there are a few things that I'd like to say, so I'll just begin. So up here you've got your directional keypads, and they are a little bit tricky to follow, but it's not a deal breaker, so that's absolutely fine. The whole thing cost £595, and to me that is amazing value. This is a 21.5-inch screen. I'm 6'6". You can see how big my hand is. You know, I have plenty of room to draw and play. And this is a 2K monitor, laminated screen, etched glass. Feels absolutely the same as everything else. This is a 3.0 pen, I believe. And I don't know if that makes it any better. There you go. Nearly. It's a nice pen. And it's got 2 clicky points on it. So my first one, I've just set it to my brush. So anyway, yeah, so I'll just quickly just show you some stuff. So I'll just go light to heavy, and you'll see it in real time on my screen. You see, so, and it's this taper that really impresses me. I mean, that is, let me just shrink my brush size down. But to me, that there, this here is such a decent line for an artist. It's like, it's so important to be able to go from light to thick and to fade off and to taper off in a proper nice and natural way. You know, it's like doing circles as well, you know, it's like absolutely perfect. There you go, a bit clearer. But yeah, so in my opinion, this is worth every penny. I have had no problems. The only issue, I suppose, is that people have said that the USB-C is very short. It is. That is a fact, unfortunately. But I have to say, I've managed to get my RDS into the right position, and I'm happy with it. I can work like this. I did realise that the USB-Cs have a much bigger array of things that they can do compared to a USB-A. So I made the mistake of buying a USB-C, and it was wrong and it wouldn't work. So it's very specific. Huion have got a new one that seems to be coming out that's longer, like 2 meters, but they're charging £64 for that. I'm not going to do that. I'm happy with how I've got it all set up. I might change my mind at some point, but not anytime soon. It did take 2 weeks to be delivered. I don't know if that's a Brexit thing, but it was over in the Netherlands, then Belgium, and it was being delivered by FedEx. So I was a little concerned that it wasn't real. It made me nervous for a little while. But anyway, it is. It's great. And I highly, 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 highly recommend it. Anyway, there you go. Any questions, just, you know, leave them in the comments, and I'll try and get back to you and answer some of them. Other than that, I've got other videos. You can watch the 20-minute version, I think it was, where I unbox it and show you everything. And also as well, there'll be other artwork and stuff. So like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. tell me how I can improve, and I'll see you later. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, then stick around and watch one of my other videos suggested, or check out my YouTube channel. See you later.